welcome to another episode about Culterra's products. Today we'll be potting a few succulents with Culterra's wonderful succulent mix. Just going to open this. So what we'll do is start off by putting about half the pot each with Culterra's succulent mix. Now what you'll see with the succulent mix is it's a really nice combination of soil and sand, and that allows for good proper drainage for your succulents. So remember, you don't want to ever overwater your succulents, and they do need a fair amount of sunlight. What you want to do to take your pot plant out of its pot is loosen it a little bit by putting some pressure on the sides, and then you're just going to turn him very gently upside down like so. If you remove the plant from the pot and discover that it has been quite root bound, as you can see for this one, he's got his roots coming out the bottom a little bit here, you may need to gently pull. There we go, you can see he's definitely in need of a bigger pot. And then you can always just give the roots a little bit of a massage like so, just to break them out of that tight bundle. Righty. And there she comes. Right. Perfect. Okay, so you just want to make sure all your roots are nicely inside the pot. Just want to top it up nicely all around. Make sure it's going under these leaves at the bottom. Do need to be gentle when working with these guys. Right, and there we have it. So, our 3 succulents. Looking proud. And then your pots, last step, just going to give them a bit of water. And that's it. These guys are going to be very happy in their new, more spacious pots with Culterra's wonderful succulent mix, full sun, and they are going to thrive. Thank you for joining me today.